And welcome back to our Christmas countdown quilt-along. We need to deal with that belt. I'm going to go up there and we'll be stitching the black in the black. I think I'm going to go with just those verticals again. I think that's going to look quite nice as a contrast with the belt. Again, a little jump stitch to get in there. And what you might notice is that the belt has got that rounded end. That's where the lines are going to be straight, but then try and have the last few bulge out that little bit, and that'll help that belt actually go around his tummy. Can you see the difference that makes to have that slight curve? Cut away those little jump stitches. And that's it for today. I shall see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.